Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python script to input an integer and display its square and cube. So given a number as an input to the Python script, so you have to display the square of a number and a cube of a number. So let's take an example. Let's take a number as 5. So the square, that is s, so let me take a s as a variable, and you have to raise 5 raised to power of 2. So this will give us the number, that is 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. So this is the square of a number, and in order to print the cube of a number, so let's take c as a variable, and here let's raise it to the power of 3 equals to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, so that equals 125. If you calculate manually using the calculator, so it will be up to 125. Yeah, so Python provides double star operator in order to raise anything, that is raise x to the power of y. So let's use this double star operator and try to get the square and cube of a number. Yeah, so let's try to start writing a program. So let me take a variable number equals to, so let me use input function call to ask a user to enter an integer. So let's say enter a number, and let's give colon, and we will be using the type conversion. So let's use integer type conversion to convert the string to an integer. So yeah, so once we get a number, so let's take another variable s. So this will store the square of a number. So let me take a number and raise it to the power of 2 using the double star operator. And now, so let me take c as a cube, and let's take a number and raise it to the power of 3. Yeah, so s will be storing the square of a number and c will be storing the cube of a number. So let's print it. So once we are done with finding the square and cube, so let me use a print statement, and let me copy the same, that is square of number is, so let's give colon, and let's directly print the s, that is a variable. And let's again use the print statement, that is print function, and let's use let's say cube of number is, let's give colon, and let's print the c variable, that is a cube. Yeah, so this is a complete Python script to ask a user to enter an integer and display its square and cube. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter a number, so let's take 5. So you can see the square of a number is 25 and the cube of a number is 125. It has printed. So now let me take 100 as an example, that is input number is 100. So you can see square of number is 10,000 and cube of a number is, so this big number. Let me re-execute it. So now let me give something like 45. So you can see square of a number is 2025 and the cube of a number is 91125. Yeah, so this is a complete Python script to accept a integer and display the square and cube of a number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.